Hi guys! So for today's video is going to be a get ready with me, and I have a couple of products to show you na hindi ko pa napapakita sa channel ko. They're like mga bagong biling products, not necessarily like bagong launch. Well, merong bagong launched. I am so excited to use this one. Bago to sa Maybelline. Ito yung kanilang Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream Blush. And then, excited din ako i-try yung, eto, nabili ko ng Valentine's, pero hindi ko pa nagagamit. Na-swatch ko na, pero hindi ko pa nagagamit on cam. Yung kanilang, yung Valentine, Sensational Liquid Matte. I have a new contour kit. Oh my god, thank god. But this is not new launch. This is from Happy Skin. I got this because it's on sale. Pag hindi to on sale, ang mahal. And I'm so excited as well to try this one. Alam niyo naman na favorite ko yung Insta Bright Glow Up Cream, diba? Pero for the longest time, for how many months, 2 shades lang yung napapakita ko sa inyo. And ngayon ko lang na-getching yung 3rd shade, yung Pearly Aura. So, I don't know ano magiging anek niyan. Anyway, grab your Kika kit or grab your snack and then let's make paganda na, guys. Siyempre, umpisahan natin sa sunscreen because we don't wanna age ng mas maaga. Hey guys, mag-prime na tayo! Ano yung itsura niya? Ay, ang ganda, day! Ay! Day, ang ganda! Day! Day! Ay, day! Ay, day! Day! Getchingin nyo yung shade na to, day. Itong Pearly Aura day. For foundation, dahil Maybelline yung for cheeks natin and then for lips natin. Hindi, Maybelline ko na rin yung base natin. Ano lang, lang itong Maybelline Fit Me. Ayoko naman ng full coverage today. So, I'm just gonna focus on like making pantay my skin tone and then brightening some parts. Alam mo yan. So, using yung Fresh Skin Lab Milk White Tone Up Powder, I'm going to set yung under eyes lang. I don't want to set my entire face. Carry naman ng ano yan, ng makeup setting spray. Under eyes lang kasi para mag-brighten up yung ilalim. So, I'm just going to wait for a few seconds para mag-set yung powder. And then, magsaspray ako nitong Lux Organics Beauty Mist by Ann Kutz. Pero like, ano lang, 1 layer lang. Hindi yung generous like I usually do. I just wanna make lapat-lapat talaga the powder on my skin. You get what I mean. For the eyes, pink yung blush natin, pero like deep itong lippy natin. So, let's go for subtle on the eyes. Charing. Tingnan natin kung maging subtle to. KGN Cosmetics, yung kanilang liquid paint for the eyes, cheeks, and lips. Another very affordable and really good product, you guys. Multi-purpose. Meron akong parang ano yan, solo review. So, kukuha lang ako ng very, very slight dun sa doe foot applicator. And then, isa-smudge ko lang muna dito. And then, saka ko ikikeme on my eyes. Very pigmented kasi to, so you know, slowly but surely ang ating anek. Taiwan lashes pero half lashes ulit, meaning I'm going to get 1 and then cut it into 2. And then, dito lang sa outer edge ilalagay. Pero syempre, magmamaskara pa rin tayo ng bonggang-bongga para maging subtle yung transition from dun sa walang lashes to the, yung may half lash. Okay, so itry na natin yung Blushicella, you guys. Again, I'm talking about itong Maybelline Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream. I think I got this for $2.99. And then, syempre, yung shipping fee. Packaging niya, kamukha ng yung Vice Cosmetics. And meron pang isang local brand. Ang seal. So, it looks like that. Oh, subtle lang siya, dai. Ay, in fairness. First impression, I like. Hindi siya like super duper pigmented. Oo nga, tama nga. Sheer gel cream blush. So, alam mo yun, hindi siya nakakatakot gamitin. Maganda to if you don't have foundation. Alam mo yun, moisturizer lang. I think it's gonna go really smooth and, you know, natural looking. Pero dahil may foundation ako and then nagset pa ako ng powder under eyes, okay din siya in fairness under powder. And under foundation. I like it. I think I'm gonna be using it. First impression, bongga dai. I like it. I'm going to use this like every day on a kahit walang makeup dai. I like it. Pero ano lang siya ha, like super sheer lang. Kaya gandara. I like. Anyway, for the blush, gagamitin ko tong Happy Skin Feeling Sculptular. What? Yes. Sculptacular. Okay. Face Contour Kit. Honeymoon Glow Edition. So, binuksan ko na siya. So, this is what it looks like. And swatch ko na siya yesterday. And, mukhang okay. Tingnan natin ngayon in action. And guys, mag-abang kayo palagi sa sa Lazada, sa Happy Skin. Kasi, palagi sila nagsisale. Hindi yung entire store may sale. Hindi lahat ng products may sale. Pero like, alam mo yung paunti-unting products magsisale, lalo na yung parang malapit nang mag-expire. Pero guys, don't get me wrong, hindi siya mag-expire like in a matter of a month or within the year. Actually, parang sinisale nila, yung mag-expire pa lang like, halimbawa ito, next year pa to mag-expire. And I feel like I'm going to use this like next year, ubos na. It's a little bit warm pa rin. Magkakatalo tayo guys sa ilong. Yeah, it's still a little bit warm. Pero okay lang, at least meron akong, alam mo yun, option. Kawawa naman yung Ara colors ko, bugbog na. Naglagay tayo dito sa ilalim para shape na shape. Now, let's try the highlight. Yung highlight is parang hindi naman ganun kabongga. Let's see. Ay, pwede rin. Pero dahil, feeling ko this is pang morena. Kasi yung highlight niya is peachy. And then yung contour is a bit warm. So, I feel like pang morena tong honeymoon glow. Pero okay lang. Keber. Try natin dito. I think mas maganda pa to kung nag-spray muna ako ng mist. Yeah. Pero for under eyes, feeling ko gusto ko ng wet. Well, hindi siya blinding highlight, pero pwede na. I'm going to get a liquid eyeliner. And then, papasadahan ko lang yung, kasi tinan mo, ang tagal matuyo ng lash glue ko. So, kitang-kita yung mga puti-puti, anik-anik. So, papasadahan ko lang ng ganyan. Last but not the least, my favorite part, yung lippy. And again, ito yung Sensational Liquid Matte. In the shade, wala nakasulat na shade, number 18. Ano ba yung binili ko? Dalawa to eh. Dalawa yung nirelease nila nung Valentine's. I just got, ito pala, Fearless Taupe. I got the Fearless Taupe. I feel like this is going to be very pigmented. Ayan siya, dai. A brownie. It's brownie red. Hindi siya amoy like candy. It's amoy sabon na mabango. Alright guys, so ito na ating finished look. Well, okay pa rin siya pang everyday kahit na meron tayong deep color. Out of all the new products that I bought, pinaka-favorite ko itong blush. Dahil getchingin nyo ito kung gusto nyo ng natural looking blush. And then, napupusuan ko rin Itechiwa. I like the color. And then, pero I remember na ito pala parang super stay matte ink din. Less tacky nga lang. Pero alam mo, mabilis mag-dry on the lips. So, you have to be very, very fast in applying it. So, etong dalawa yung napusuan ko. Etong Sculptacular from Happy Skin, it's not my... Hindi, feeling ko kailangan ko ng time para ma-in-love dito. Kailangan ko pa siyang i-try ng maraming beses to see its full potential. At kung bet ko siya. Ay, day! Oo nga pala. Getchingin nyo rin Itechiwa Pond's Insta Bright Glow Up Cream. Yung Pearly Aura na shade is so nice. It's so good for everyday. Love it. Anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kahit paano. Watch out for my next video, guys. I might have a lip swatch. A bonggang lip swatch. So, stay tuned for it. Again, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!